Operating Theater Museum and Herb Garrett. So this is Rachel. Hi Rachel. Hi Kips. So let's go. Let's go. Spiral yung stairs niya. And feeling ko, start pa lang to. Feeling ko nag-hike na ako ng malala. This is the admission prices. So for adult, 10 pounds. Much cheaper if it's family. Wow. So some of them are from 16 to 1700s. So you can see, na-preserve nila yan. Look at the ceiling. It's very old. So let's go inside and check. So guys, medyo budol si Keps. He said it's free. But pagdating namin, it's 10 pounds. You said it's free. So ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga nurses. Care of the sick and nursing. Baka ito yung emergency bell nila. Joke lang. This is beer drinking. Laborers sa pregnancy. This crib. I know this is gross, guys, but this is the gangrene foot. Prosthetic wooden leg na ginagamit nila before. Ito ba si Florence Nightingale? The Florence Nightingale School of Nursing. When I was in college, ito yung pinaka-popular na makikilala mo sa nursing. It's Nightingale. Ito yung ginagamit nila during surgery.
19th century.
Kakaiba pa yung tourniquet before.
Meet na ba yung leader natin?
Tignan mo yung tourniquet, oh.
Yung leader si Nightingale.
Yeah, tourniquet.
Huh? Tingnan mo dito sila nag-opera.
Oh.
Nanonood sila habang mag-opera.
This is their theater or operating room during 1822. Parang may nanonood sa'yo habang nag-ooperate sila. Ito yung mga surgical instruments. Is there like surgical gown? There's a mini bar here and look at your view habang you're having drinks. And there's a boat. Look at the view, guys. May boat doon on the other side. And guys, this is the London Bridge. So akala nyo yung London Bridge is yung popular na may dalawang tower on each side. But this is the real London Bridge. So we're here now sa Prison Museum. So ito yung outside nila. And then to si Keps and si Rachel, nagbabayad na sila. So for adults, it's 10 pounds. Children, 8 pounds. But if it's family, it's 29 pounds. Uy! Go, open. Pwede na ba ata? Pwede ata push. Handle torture equipment at your own risk. Oh. Ito yung ginagamit nila, guys, sa mga prisoner. Super heavy. Grabe yung parusa before, no? Sobrang brutal. I'll show you what's in front of me. Yung first one ay yung collar and ball chain. Ito naman sa belt and ito naman yung boots. super heavy. Talagang metal sila. We're walking now here sa London Bridge, and on the other side you'll see the Tower Bridge, and currently sobrang init. I'll check the weather because di ko alam ba't ako pinagpapawisan. Date is 10 degrees and sobrang init. Alam mo yung feeling na parang gusto kong hubarin na yung jacket ko, sobrang init, but I can't because ang dami kong dala. Michelle, hello. So we're here now at the Shards. So medyo mahaba yung pila. Thank God medyo maaga kami ng 30 minutes. So okay lang. So this is the view, guys. Wow. Imagine this at night. Sobrang ganda. Unfortunately, we're gonna stay up to 4 something. Because we have 5 p.m. dinner reservation. Ang ganda. So this is the bar in Sky Garden. So they're selling coffee, alcoholic drinks, and pastries as well.
Iced latte and blueberry muffin.
Mine is Biscoff and cappuccino ice latte and
Chocolate muffin.
chocolate muffin. So this one costs 9 pounds, no?
9.85.
9 point something. So if you're gonna convert sa peso, mga 700 to 800. So yeah.
Yeah. Konti.
Ilang nilalagay mo?
Ang placing ng
Sabi na isang tain ko palang masarap na.
Ano daw to? Ano?
Magpipicture na kami. So ayun si Rachel. I asked her to go dun sa pinakadulo. Ganda yung pictures ni Rachel. Ayan na, okay. 1, 2. Tingin ka dun sa kabila. 1, 2. Ba, ang ganda. I'll show you guys. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go. So ito pala yung restaurant. So there's NHS discount 10%. So I have 10% discount, but I think they're gonna ask for ID. So let's see if I'm gonna get a discount kahit hindi ko dala yung ID ko. So we're gonna eat now. So bill reveal, it's 124 pounds. And then discounted ng 44. So 79.30 na lang. So sulit na sulit. So we're gonna watch now Hercules musical, and time check, it's 7 o'clock. So the play will start 7:45, so we still have 45 minutes. We're gonna try to go inside if allowed na, so we can rest for a while. All good? Right side. Okay, thank you. This is inside the theater, and I'm gonna watch Hercules.